Hello, this is Peter Marnie from petermarnie.net. By now many of you are probably aware that there is a large scale, as in worldwide, attack on WordPress websites with a bunch of people who have botnets, which are essentially lots of computers known as zombies they have control of, which are particularly accessing sites which use the username admin. This is a bit unfortunate because by default when you install WordPress it does create an admin user, so I'm going to show you today how to go about removing that user and setting a new one up. Regrettably, in WordPress you are unable to just change a username. Usernames are actually locked in and become part of the integral database. But there is a way around this, so this is what I suggest you do. I'm just going to log out so it's like I've just come here for the first time. Okay, so I have a website. I want to change this. I'm going to come in as my admin user. Now, because I can't just change the username, the correct thing to do is to come to users on the left hand side here of the dashboard menu and select add new. From here I can make a new one, so I'm going to make one for myself using my usual information. Peter Marnie. Yes, of course I have a website. It's petermarnie.net. My password, I'll put in something rubbish for now. My password has a lot more than 5 characters in case you go getting any ideas. And the role here, it's very important that you need to make this administrator. Anything less and this won't work. And then add new user, and that person is now created. So we can see in the user list I have admin and Peter. If I now log out of admin and back in as Peter, now the right thing to do is to come back to users, look at all the users, which shows me that list again, and to delete admin. Now, hold up. The next page it gives you is incredibly important, and depending on your version of WordPress, it may have already automatically selected for you the one you do not want. This page here asks what should be done with all posts that are owned by the user you're deleting. So if you've only had an admin account and you've created all your blog posts as an admin, and you click delete all posts and confirm, it's going to remove all your hard work. And as I say, on some versions of WordPress this is already selected by default. What you want is to attribute all posts to the new user or any other admin user you might have, and then confirm deletion. I have made that mistake before. It's incredibly upsetting. So now I have my list of users. I only have one. The username is Peter. If I'm to log out of here and try to log in as admin, which is the accounts that these botnets, zombies, are trying to attack, it's going to tell me it does not work. So that is how you can overcome this problem, by making sure very quickly, log into WordPress, add a new user that's an administrator, remove the admin username person, and you'll be absolutely fine.